Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of rats. Number 1. Garlic. Just like with onions, rats hate the strong smell of garlic that makes them drive away from your place. To make this trick useful, mix chopped garlic with water and sprinkle it around your house. Or you can just spread garlic cloves in the pathway of their usual tray to deter them. Number 2. Bay leaves. Bay leaves are dangerous for rats. The pungent aroma of bay leaves can attract rats and can think of it as their food. However, when rats consume bay leaves, they choke and eventually die. Try this bay leaves technique by placing some leaves around the corners of your house to get rid of rats. Number 3. Black pepper and other essential condiment can be found in the kitchen is black pepper. Black pepper also produces a sharp smell that's toxic to rats. However, when they feed onto this spice, it is harmful to their lungs and cause them to die. Number 4. Baking soda. Baking soda alone cannot kill rats. It does not have acute toxicity for rats either. Instead, baking soda is a substance that can't be adequately digested by rats. Once the rat eats baking soda, it will in contact with the acid in the stomach. The baking soda will then turn into a bunch of gas which mice can't repel. Number 5. Traps. When you talk about killing rats, traps are still fastest, simplest and most effective method of getting rid of rats. However, when using traps, you need to be wise, cautious, and strategic about since your enemies are notorious and smart as well. The trick here is to use traps that are mainly designed for rats and not for mice. Mouse traps are often too small and are ineffective in getting rid of rats. The second important thing to consider when using traps is the location where you should place it. It should be placed in areas where rats are frequently inhabiting. It can be placed in dark corners behind the refrigerators, the attics, kitchen countertops, or any place where you see mouse droppings. You can also use biting traps with peanut butter to attract rats